How to attach glass to wood without glue. Glass is a beautiful material that can add sophistication and elegance to any surface. What are the benefits of using glass glue? 1. Improved durability. Glass glue is a strong adhesive that can provide a long-lasting bond between the glass pieces, making it much more durable than other types of glue. 2. Versatility. This makes it an ideal choice for many different types of projects and repairs that require strong adhesion. 3. Easy to use. Glass glue is also very easy to use. 4. Strong bonding. Using glass glue to attach glass and wood together creates a strong bond that won't easily break. 5. Cost-effective. Glass glue is also more cost-effective than other types of adhesives. Tools and materials. Glass, wood, double-sided tape. 15 ways on how to attach glass to wood without glue. 1. Use double-sided tape. This is one of the easiest ways to attach glass to wood without using any adhesive. 2. Use magnetic tape. This is a great option because it's incredibly strong and securely holds the glass in place. 3. Use adhesive strips. Another great option for attaching glass to wood without glue is to use adhesive strips. 4. Use epoxy. If you need a stronger bond, you can use epoxy to attach your glass to wood. 5. Use mechanical fasteners. If you need a very strong bond, you can use mechanical fasteners to attach the glass to the wood. 6. Use brackets. You can also use brackets to attach the glass to the wood. 7. Use screws. You can also use washers to help keep the glass in place. 8. Use nails. Another option for attaching glass to wood is to use nails. 9. Use braces. If you want an even stronger bond, you can use braces to attach the glass to the wood. 10. Use a clamp. Another option for attaching glass to wood without glue is to use a clamp. 11. Use adhesive tape. If you need a temporary bond, you can use adhesive tape to attach the glass to the wood. 12. Use a staple gun. If you need to remove the glass, remove the staples with a staple remover. 13. Use magnets. If you want a temporary or removable attachment, you can use magnets to attach the glass to the wood. 14. Use a suction cup. Another option for attaching glass to wood without glue is to use a suction cup. Tips and warnings on how to attach glass to wood without glue. Be sure the wood surface is strong enough to support the weight of the glass. Do not use too much sealant, as it can damage the wood surface. Conclusion. Your complete guide on how to attach glass to wood without glue.